Granite Construction Exhibition 2022.
Assalamualaikum and hi. How are you guys? I hope you guys feeling well. My name is Anjali Faldami bin Karimi as a construction manager. Today, I and my team will present to you guys about our project which is proposed reconstruction of Masjid Papan Kampung Pertama Seberang Perai Tengah Pulau Pinang. Type of development is mosque. Mosque is an institutional building that donate Muslim house of worship. There are numerous causes that lead to this project. This mosque have been built too long ago and the structure also not strong enough to support the load, and this is the reason why this mosque need to be rebuilt. And this mosque have size about 25,000 square feet, and this project will be estimated to be start at 1st December 2022 and will be finished at 12th November 2023. And this project will be cost around 1.3 million ringgit. Type of PMC adopt. Usually project the JKR is use traditional method, so it also apply on this project. Traditional method is that design will be separate from the construction work, and JKR will be prepare all the information needed. By using this method, us as a contractor have a responsibility on all the construction works. But the design will be on JKR, and JKR will have direct influence on full control in this project. And the contractor, which is us, have to follow all the instruction given by the JKR. Organization breakdown structure. For this project, Granite Construction utilize functional organizational structure. This is similar to hierarchical organization system, which is the highest level of responsibility and roles are on the top. And you just can see this is our organization breakdown structure for this project. On the top we have the general manager and project manager, and below is the other important roles for this project based on their scope of work. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nur Hazira bin Abdul Wahab. As a quality control engineer, will present regarding the method of statement construction project. First part is preliminaries that have a site restriction to follow the engineer's instruction for site area. Then temporary works for accommodation and facilities. Part 2 is site preparation that have site clearing to remove any subsurface infrastructure, site surveying to survey and setting out the area of site, soil testing to assess the capacity that absorb moisture. Soil plan design will update the layout building. Site investigation to characterize the rocks, soil, and groundwater condition. Part 3 is substructure. Under foundation, column, stump, and ground beam have excavation, formwork, reinforcement, and concrete works. For ground floor slab, have excavation, sand blending, BRC, and concrete slab. Part 4 is superstructure. Under frame, it have column, upper floor beam, and roof beam. Upper floor slab and staircase have reinforcement, formwork, and concrete work. Roof work such as structure, aluminium insulation, chicken netting, covering, and ceiling. Wall have internal and external works. Doors and window have lintel, frame, and door leaf. Part 5 is finishes. Internal wall finishes, which are tiles, wallpaper, rendering, and painting. For floor finishes, which have marbles, tiles, and carpet. Then ceiling finishes. Part 6 is services. This part more focused for mechanical and electrical system, such as cold water and sanitary, plumbing, soil, waste and vent pipe, sanitary fitting, electrical installation, and boulders work. Final part is external work that carry out the external building construction, such as sewerage work, water reticulation, septic tank, fencing gate, and landscaping. Work breakdown structure, as known as WBS, is the task to make the work more manageable. For our reconstruction project have 7 parts, which is preliminaries, site preparation, substructure, superstructure, finishes, services, and external works. This is a continuous flowchart for the superstructure part. That's all from me.
Gantt chart are very important things for planning our project. I'm Afifa, as planning manager, will continue to the next part, which is project timeline. The project will start on the 1st of December 2022, and if the project went well without any problem occur, the estimated time of the project will be finished on the 12th of November 2023. The duration of this project is 346 days. This project will have 7 main stages of construction. The first stage is preliminaries on 1st of December 2022 and will end on 22nd of February 2023. Next, site preparation will start on 5th of December 2022 and will end on 17th of December 2022. Thirdly, the project will continue with substructure construction on 17th of December 2022 and will end on 9th of March 2023. Construction of superstructure will start immediately after the substructure finish, which is on 9th of March 2023 until 31st of August 2023. For external work, the project will start same with superstructure, which is on 9th of March 2023, excepting for fencing and gate installation. Then, the project will continue with services such as plumbing, electrical installation, and many more on 31st of August 2023 and will end on 30th of September 2023. Lastly will be finishes. The project will start on 30th of September 2023 and will end on 12th of November 2022.
Hello and hi to everyone. I'm Muhammad Izzuddin Helmi and I've been positioned as a Chief Surveyor responsible in this project. Now let's move on to the AON, critical path method and PERT analysis. For the critical path method of this project, as we can see, both the activities and the duration will be needed to construct the AON from start to last activity. We label each activity as an alphabet to ease the work on constructing the AON and to determine its critical path. From the AON that have been done, our team managed to get the full duration of this project is 346 days. The critical path is based on the float value of an activity that give an answer of 0, and which for this project, the critical path is A to F to G to H to I to J to K to M to N to P. And we can also determine the alternative path in this project as shown in the figure. From the data gathered in the CPM, now we can move to PERT analysis. Firstly, this is done by assuming 3 values for an activity, which is optimistic time, which is represented by A, most likely time will represented by M, and pessimistic time will represented by B. From these 3 values, we can determine the expected time for each activity by using the formula, and to determine the standard deviation of activity that falls under the critical activities. To determine the variance, we need to square root the sum of value of standard deviation, and the variance of this project is 5.088. And after that, we need to identify the desired project completion time, which is for this project is for 1 year, which is 365 days. And the value of variance in previous calculation is needed to determine the deviation Z. After obtaining the Z value, we need to refer to the PERT probability table to determine the probability of completion, which for this project is the Z value is 3.73, and the chances for this project to be completed in 1 year is 99.99%, and its possibility to fail to be completed in 1 year is 0.01%. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lucas Mansuf and I am the project manager for Granite Construction, and today I will present about the project cost for this project. This project consists of direct and indirect costs, which is indirect cost is an expense that does not relate directly to the function, product or operation of a construction project. For instance, expenses that cover the cost of administrative process and salaries for staff are indirect costs that construction companies are typically responsible for. Direct costs are easily determinable and traceable to the project. Direct cost item consists of direct labor, materials, subcontractors, and other costs. The total of indirect costs for this project is 799,550 ringgit. Next, for the direct costs, we calculate every material used in the construction of this mosque. It is starting from the preliminaries, then followed by site preparation, substructure, superstructure, finishes, services, and also the external work. After calculating all the costs, the total cost for direct is 504,150 ringgit, and the overall cost for this project is 1,303,700 ringgit. Next, to make the S-curve for this project, we need to know the duration for each activities that involved in this project by referring to the Gantt chart. And as we can see in this slide, there are 25 activities in this project. To make the S-curve, we need to calculate the cumulative cost for each day, and after that we plot it. We can see from the S-curve that at first it slowly starts, and then as the project ramps up, the data speeds up, causing the line to go rapidly upward. That's all from me, thank you.
Hello, my name is Cyprian Aroldi. I am the site manager for this company, and right now I will tell you why you need to choose our company. Choosing a construction company to plan and complete your project is a big decision. The wrong choice could end up costing countless hours of your time and more money than you should have to spend. Choosing the right one can make the process easier, faster, and more affordable. Our company have the experience and flexibility to offer contemporary, innovative, or traditional building project of any size. And we take pride in providing first-rate client service and the highest standard of excellency. Other than that, our top priority is to ensure that you are comfortable with each step of your build. Working with us ensure clear and consistent communication, as well as a continuous line of dialogue throughout the construction project. Even if you are not physically present at the site, we need to know that you are staying up to date. People choose first-class construction for their new project because of our experience, quality control, reasonable timeline, and excellent customer relationship. Thank you.